In front of me is CUBOT Note 7, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the browser that we are using, in my case it is Google Chrome, then tap on More icon and select History. Here tap on Clear Browsing Data, and you will find Basic and Advanced options. Under Basic you can find Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and Cards, Images and Files, and then under Advanced you've got a few more, which are which are saved passwords, out-of-inform data, and site settings. Obviously, if you'd like to leave something, just unmark it and then it will not be deleted, but I would like to remove it all, and then just pick time range. So click here, and now you can pick the preferred time range. I will choose all time because I would like to fully clear browsing data, and then just tap on Clear Data. And that's it. As you can see, it has been removed, and you can smoothly create it from scratch. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.